To help you develop your traditional style swings, we can do an exercise called the 360 to front pass. Now, this involves a lot of torso rotation, but it also involves the mace swinging down, so you're going to want to have a slightly higher choke than you would do for a normal 360. So what I like to do is place the mace on the floor to start with, reach down, grip, and then lift, and at least then I know I've got some ground clearance from my toes and the floor. From that position, we perform a normal 360 going in the direction the lead finger can point. So we lift and 360. However, you'll notice here my torso finishes slightly at an angle rather than directly forward, because the first thing you need to do is then cast the mace out and let the momentum pendulum across. Now this allows the torso to twist and teaches that twist action that's going to be very vital for the traditional 360. As we twist, we bring the mace up, and this time we drop straight in behind and then twist the torso again, pull out, come around in front, behind, twist, pull, in front, behind, twist, pull, and then go in front. That's going to really help teach you to initiate the power with the core. So as the mace is dipped in behind you, you haven't got in as much as that initial rotation. So you have to turn the core sharply and then pull in front, twist again, dip and pull. Keep the control. Do not allow that mace to slap the back. You need that control. So over we go, control the mace, keep the mace off, deep grip, deep hands behind the head, twist the torso, flick out, and twist again. Give that one some practice. It's going to feel awkward to start with, but it will really help you develop that connection with the torso, developing the power in your 360s and 10 and 2s.